para lang mas mabilis naming maano to, we use that NFTs area.
Okay.
So we have the Kratky area and the NFTs. So the thing is, ang nangyayari kasi minsan, mas mabilis nag-grow sa NFTs.
NFT.
Hindi nagsasabay.
Yeah.
Minsan naman mabagal siya. So we don't know kung paano yun i-arrange.
Yeah. Okay. Requires hydroponics. Being hydroponics requires a little bit of science,
Yes, yun yeah.
if I may. So especially now, rainy season.
Oo.
Pagpasok ng magandang klima, napakaganda sa mga letsugas.
Yes.
They grow really quick because it's the right weather for them.
Yes.
But whenever the rain kicks in, what you have is a blanket of humidity. Number one, your problem would be disease.
Disease, yes.
And second, pag makapal yung humidity, pag basa yung hangin, transpiration is slow.
Oo.
Pag mabagal yung transpiration, mabagal din yung akyat ng nutrients, mabagal din yung paglaki nung tanim. But that's of course there's an easy fix to that.
Yeah.
We just have to install a bit of fans. You just have to move the air.